welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a review of the SeNaGence Haircovery. I was gonna say Haircovery. SeNaGence Haircovery shampoo conditioner that makes your hair grow. It helps thicken the hair and it helps strengthen your hair. And then there's also the serum, which I haven't used yet, which I'm gonna use. And you guys will get to see me really quickly just go ahead and shampoo my hair. So I'm gonna show you that really quick. Okay, so in my honest opinion, the smell of the, first off, starting with the smell, I love the smell. It's actually very refreshing. I thought that it was gonna be, I didn't think I was gonna like the smell because I'm very picky when it comes to smells with shampoos and perfumes and things like that, but it actually smells really good. I have no products in my hair whatsoever. I rinse the conditioner out. Typically, I'm actually very impressed because usually my hair is a lot more frizzier. I like the Lange shampoo, La Main shampoo, and then their thick conditioner. I love that one too. But this one is great because it's gonna help with growing your hair. So I think that I'll probably alternate between the two. I like to alternate shampoos. Does anyone else do that? Let me know below if you do. I like to do that because your hair does tend to get used to stuff, but I personally will be using this quite often to see how my hair grows and thickens and straightens and all that stuff. Not straightens, strengthens and all that stuff. And yeah, so it's also supposed to make your hair, add more volume to your hair. I have a lot of volume. This is with my hair wet. Completely, it's damp because it's been drying for an hour in little buns, so it is wet. Let me zoom in and show you what the curls are looking like without any product so far. It looks great in my opinion. I think, oh my gosh, I think that it looks really good. I just did my concealer and I didn't use concealer, I actually used foundation, and I put it way too much on that part. But anyways, okay, so what was I gonna say? These are sulfate free, paraben free, gluten free, phthalate free. Super important. I love that. Let's see, it's got orchid flower in the shampoo, jojoba, esters, aloe vera, which is super good for your hair. It's got clover. Is that in the shampoo? Yeah, it's got clover, which is supposed to, I think that's really what makes the hair grow, so that's pretty awesome. That's the ingredients are on the back, and it says goodbye dry and dull, hello healthy. Revive your hair with nourishing botanicals, vitamins, and lightweight moisture. Cinepeptide and Cineplex help to enhance the thickness and volume for beautiful bouncy hair, safe for color treated hair. So that's pretty dope. It also has UV color protection. That's awesome. I don't have any color in my hair, but you know, for those of you who do. The conditioner says silky soft hair that shines. Restore your hair's texture and radiance with the rich cream formula to rescue dry and brittle hair. I will say, I feel like it really did help. My hair just looks super duper luscious. It just looks really luscious. Look at that curl. Do you see that? Girl. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply the hair serum. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so the hair serum is supposed to, it was formulated with nourishing botanicals, powerful peptides to help moisturize the scalp. The serum strengthens hair and return it to its healthiest, shiniest, most vibrant state. So this also has aloe in it, orchid flower, willow herb extract, clover flower. So yeah, we'll see how this works on my hair. I'm excited. Alright, so let's see, what are the directions? Apply a dime-sized amount directly to the scalp, wet or dry hair. use every 2 to 3 days. Do not rinse. Okay, so I guess this is about a dime size. I'm gonna put it on my hands like that. Put it on the scalp. Okay. Let's see. I actually have a scalp massager upstairs in the shower that I use. Feels, I just love massaging my scalp. It feels so good. Let's see. Oh, it smells great. I thought that it was gonna be too strong for me. I told you I'm so bad with stuff like this, but it actually smells very light and very yummy, yummy, yummy. Ooh, Lunge. What is it called? Sorbet Botanical Smoothing Balm. You can see it's like almost gone. But I love this stuff. Number one, it smells. Oh, it smells so good. This is what it looks like. It smells so good. It smells so good. So I'm gonna put that in my hair. You can just see transformation. Yeah, the shampoo, as I was washing my hair, it was very gentle. It was not a harsh. Some shampoos, they make your hair feel very dry, very what's the word, very like I can't even explain it. It just, you know what I'm saying, like it doesn't feel good at all. It feels just dry and icky. I don't use shampoos like that at all. Like I never do. I use shampoos that make my hair feel very healthy and very soft. Like I want my shampoo to make my hair feel soft and all that stuff, but clean at the same time. So this shampoo, it definitely gave me that, like all of it. So I was worried that it was gonna make my hair feel really dry like some shampoos do, and not at all. My hair feels so soft right now. It's so soft. Obviously this stuff is making it feel even softer. And then for the conditioner, I will say it felt like kind of like my hair was transforming. Like the curls, I was watching it and I was like, it almost was like the moisture from the inside was, my hair was being moisturized from the inside out, if that makes sense. So yeah, I know this is like taking forever. Anyways, I use this one too, but do I want to use my, alright, so now I'm using alright, so last but certainly not least, I'm going to use the Aunt Jackie's Curl and Coil Flaxseed Don't Shrink Elongating Curling Gel. And here's this is what it's looking like. Okay, so what we're going to do is take a good amount of that, put it on the hair like so. Now I've never used this Synergen's hair stuff with my hair products, so we're gonna see. This is my first time using it, so we're gonna see how my hair looks throughout the day, and yeah, I'm super excited. So I don't know if you guys. This is the finished look. I mean, I typically don't wear it down when it's drying because I just don't like the feeling. But I'm like, should I leave it down? I don't really know, for the sake of the before and after photos, maybe leave it down. I love it though. It looks so beautiful. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, my hair feels so buttery soft. I cannot wait till it dries to see how it feels. Freaking obsessed. Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to do a quick check-in. It is day 2 since I washed my hair. So I washed my hair Friday morning, and this is Sunday at like I think around noon. And this is what my hair looks like using the stuff that I used on Friday that you saw. So the, what's it called? The new Senegence Haircovery line, as well as all the products that I usually use that you guys saw. So I just got done doing my second day of the Haircovery serum. It actually, in the bottle, the scent seems like it's gonna be strong to wear in your hair, but especially me because I'm very sensitive to smells, but this actually fades. Like the scent fades into this nice clean smell with like a hint of like delicious fragrance, so your hair smells so good. But my hair is very lightweight, but it's still very defined. Let me see if I should zoom in. So sorry, I got a little extra gloss right there. You can see how defined my curls are and how lightweight it is, but I've barely applied any more products into my hair. I do apply my gel in my hair pretty much daily because it refreshes my curls and it just allows it to where I can reshape it for the day, because when I sleep on it, it usually gets messed up, like the shape and stuff. So yeah, and today I also applied the Launch hair lotion glaze that I usually use to refreshen the curls, and I haven't had to apply that much product. Like usually I have to apply way more, and my hair just feels like, I'm being dead honest, like my hair actually, this is why I did an update, because I was like, my hair feels different. Like it feels super light. Like it says it's gonna make it lightweight and bouncy, and that's what it feels like. It also says that the conditioner helps transform damaged hair into luxurious, soft, shiny, healthy locks. So I personally think that is definitely a yes for me. So does it work on curly hair? 100%. What's my review of this product? I honestly, today I'm giving it, I'm gonna say an 8 right now. I think we'll see how it goes the rest of the month. I don't shampoo my hair very often. I only usually shampoo it once a month to get like buildup and stuff off, but I do condition my hair very often, so I have a feeling I'll be needing a lot more of this. But the price point is really good, so it's fine, especially for what it does. And my husband's going to be using it too. So I'm really excited. The fact that I usually have to leave conditioner in my hair. Like I usually have to put conditioner in my hair. And you guys saw all I did was this, a little bit of this, the lotion, and the gel. And that's all I put in my hair. And usually I have to put conditioner in my hair every single day for it to look like this. Like I usually use the coconut hair gurt, this one right here, and it's very thick curling yogurt. I actually have like two more unopened packed ones that I have, and I love this stuff, especially for deep conditioning. This is like the bomb. But usually I put that in my hair every single day to just make my curls look like this basically, and I do it in the shower, and I put a little tiny bit on each side and let it sit up and soak in all the moisture and stuff. But yeah, today the last couple days I have not done that at all. Like, and my hair that looks really good. If you guys have been following me, you know, like my hair, sometimes the back looks very dry and like pushed up kinda. So for it to have like this much definition and shine and lightweight, like it's just literally like this, I'm so impressed. And it doesn't usually do that ever. So yeah, I'm 100% in love with that. I'm excited to see what it does as far as growth and stuff too, so I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I hope that you guys like this little update. Bye.